Hi and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a VPN. For this demo, I will be using Expressvpn, which is one of the best VPNs available on the market today. Expressvpn is an app that you can install on your computer, smartphone or tablet. There are also extensions for Chrome and Firefox. Here, I'm going to show you how to use it on a computer, but it's the same principle on a smartphone or tablet. Here is Expressvpn. By clicking here, you can choose a country from which you want to connect. There is a search function, of course, to search for a specific country or city. You can use the recommended locations here or search for a location from this menu. There are a lot of countries, 94 in total, in Asia Pacific, like Japan, Australia, South Korea. In Europe, of course, France, the UK, Germany, Italy, Spain, and so on. In Americas as well, the US, Canada, Mexico, and so on, as well as in the Middle East and Africa. As you can see here, I currently have a French IP address ending in 122. I double click on the country of my choice, the US for example. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. Done. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from the US. Let me refresh this page. And as you can see, my French IP address has been replaced by an American IP address. So once you're connected to a VPN server, you can browse the web and download anonymously, and your internet connection is secure. Let's take a look at the different settings and options available. So you can do a speed test from here to find the fastest VPN server from your location. Here we have some options, some general settings. There is also a kill switch. They call network lock. A kill switch is an option that automatically stops your internet connection when your VPN connection is no longer working, to ensure that your personal data is not accidentally compromised and that you keep your privacy no matter what. That's it. So as you can see, Expressvpn is very easy to use. If you don't have a VPN yet, visit vpnclub.fr/expressvpn or click on the link under this video to take advantage of a special offer, 49% off plus 3 months free if you take a yearly subscription. Note that Expressvpn offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means that you can sign up, take advantage of the service for several weeks, and then request a refund if you wish. I'll quickly show you the interface of other VPNs like NordVPN, which is a great alternative to Expressvpn. You can choose a country from which you want to connect from this interactive map, or you can use the list on your left. So quite similar to Expressvpn. There is also CyberGhost, which is another great VPN. So this is a minimized version, and if I click here, we can see the full version. So you can quickly connect to a server using this menu here, or you can choose a country from which you want to connect here. NordVPN and CyberGhost also offer a money-back guarantee, so don't hesitate to give them a try. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. As you saw, using a VPN is very easy. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them below, and we will answer them as soon as possible. If you like this video, if you found it useful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks and see you next time.